that sounds good. You can come to my hotel, meet me in an hour. And I'm like, okay, yeah. So I get ready. I drive all the way down to the hotel, which was like 45 minutes away. I text her when I get there, and she's like, oh, sorry, hold on. It's gonna be 15 more minutes. I'm still doing my shoot. I don't know exactly what she was doing. She was shooting something for a video. I'm like, okay, so I wait there 15 more minutes, and she's still not there. So I call her. There's no answer. I text her again. I'm like, I've been waiting here 15 minutes. Are you coming or not? Do you not want to do anything? Still no answer. So I start walking around the hotel, and then she calls me, and then she's like, oh, I'm so sorry. My shoot's taking forever. I don't know when I'm gonna be out. I'm like, dude, you told me 30 minutes ago. I'm like, where are you? Let me just come to the shoot. And guess what? No answer. I call her again. No answer. So I was waiting at the hotel for almost an hour, and then I was just like, screw it. I'm just leaving. Whatever. I go get some burgers because my favorite restaurant is down there. So the trip